everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have a DAC Diamond Art Club to unbox. This I purchased quite a while ago, but you guys voted on my channel for this to be the next one that I do, and I realized I had not made an unboxing video. Lately, what I like to do is put my post video when I'm finished and connect it with my unboxing, so you guys down the road who see this can see the unboxing, and if you want, see the finished product to decide if it's something that you want to purchase. Now, when I purchased this, right away they came out and said, oh, we don't want to do it in round. We are now going to do it in square. This one is round. This one is 56 by 69 centimeters. It's called the Whispered Word Lenore. And now it's offered in square 70 by 87, so it's significantly larger. And it's, let me see the price for you, $74.99 now. So that's not what I purchased it for, because this one is a smaller kit. Now this is what it is. And the reason I purchased this is growing up, my junior and senior year in high school, loved the poet, turning the brightness on you, Edgar Allan Poe, and this just spoke to me. So that's why I purchased it. So let's dive in and let's unbox this and see what we've got. I don't know if I want the square one instead of the round one, but I know, crinkle, 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 that I have several large ones, so it's nice to have 50-ish centimeters is my sweet spot. So we will see what we have in here. All right, so here is the little sticker that you guys can put in your logbook. I dropped the toolkit, so just a minute. Here in the toolkit, I will put a picture here as to what you get in this toolkit. When it's round, you do not get tweezers. When it's square, you do get tweezers. So this is by Jasmine Becket-Griffith, and this one's round, but they only offer it in square now. This one is 56 by 69 centimeters or 22 by 27. Again, what they include now is a square version. It is 70 by 87 centimeters. Let's see. Does it say how many? It does have ABs in it. Let's see how many. Let's open it. You guys, sometimes I get notice that there's crinkle and you can't hear me. Just wait a minute and the crinkle goes away and you can hear me again. So soft. It's been a while since I've opened a DAC. Right down here they have the Whispered Word, so they did shorthand it. It is by Jasmine Becket-Griffith. It shows the licensing number, gives you the pasting area. You can see that it's round. DAC does pretty much lighten the inside of the symbols, so sometimes it acts like a dummy circle. It has 32 colors. The one that they have out now is 35 colors with 2 ABs. So this is 32 colors. So beautiful. You have to unroll it this way. All right, so you get a little step-by-step instructions if you want. They also give you a little thank you for your next purchase. DAC has train. One second, and I'll explain what that is. Their drills come packaged in what I call a train, which means they're attached. So here's your 310s. They're labeled right here. They're beautiful colors. Like I said, these are round. I'm going to keep these out because I'm actually going to kit them up. It does also have on here which one it goes to. So if you do separate them from your kits, not a problem. It is poured glue. You do have your key on the upper left and the bottom right. It does have the serged edges to help prevent. Oh, isn't she just beautiful? And I love these wings. So gorgeous, and that moon up there. Let's see which ABs they have. They have 129 and 138. So, oh, the moon is almost 100% ABs. All those ones are ABs. And then the twos are ABs as well. Let's see where the twos are. So there's some in her hair. Just kind of some throughout this blue area. So we'll see if I add any more. I do have what's called Raven Colors. It's this beautiful from Diamond Painting Drills, which has a sale going on right now. If you're part of Monster Mash, you get 10% off. But I'm really excited to maybe use some of that in the, what do you call it up here? The crow, which is off screen. So I'm excited to potentially, instead of 310, use that different colors, and pay attention to some of my upcoming videos and you'll see what I mean by that. It's got this midnight black blue tone to it. All right, let's see. The symbols are your normal Diamond Art Club symbols. Nothing new to write home about. DMC colors. Yeah, so I can't wait to kit this up and start it. It's the perfect size for me. And we will see what happens. So I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for my finish in the future. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.